Want a good placement but have no idea where to start? Save this roadmap. Step 1, Foundation. First, build your foundation. Learn one programming language like Java or Python. Focus on basics like variables, conditions, loops, functions, arrays, strings. Step 2, DSA. Learn arrays, strings, sorting, searching, linked list, stack, queue, and basic tree concepts. Then solve problems regularly. Step 3, core subjects. Don't ignore your core subjects like DBMS, OS, computer networks. Oops. Those are very important for technical interview. Step 4, projects. Now build 2 to 3 real projects. Don't just copy them. Understand your project well because interviewer can ask you anything about it. Step 5, resume plus profile. Create a clear one paper resume. Keep your LinkedIn and GitHub updated with your skills and projects. Step 6, interview. Finally, practice aptitude, coding test, technical questions, HR questions. More you practice, the more confident you become. You don't need to finish everything in 1 month. One skill, one problem, one project every day. Save this reel for later. Follow for HL codes.